Good morning. We had wind for the last 2 days and then we got a foot of snow overnight, and it's just real heavy wet shit. And look at this. This is what I have in my front yard. Let's clear over. It bounced off the house. And that's about the diameter of a bowling ball there. There's the cables. Looks like the power lines are okay because they go down this conduit. But this cable, that's the TV cable and the VoIP telephone, that goes in over there. Should go in right over there. There's a gray box hiding over there that it goes into. Man, that's a lot of branch. I went up on the roof to make sure there wasn't any hole in the roof. And seems to be okay. Smells like pine tree here big time. Pretty crazy. Yeah. There's no power anywhere. They said there's 1,500 people out here with no power, which is about a quarter of the... There's about 6,200 people living out here. So that's a lot of people with no juice. Anyway, I made a fire going to go back to bed. The hell with it. There's nothing I can do about it. Let me show you this. Yeah. Are we recording? Okay, it says record now. Okay. Look at this bullshit here. It's laying right across my fucking power line. Pardon my French, it's laying right across my power line. The top one is the power line, the second one is the telephone, and the bottom one is the cable. It's a good thing there's a good tension wire on that power cable, or this whole thing would be on the ground right in the middle of my driveway. I still got stuff falling out of the trees here. Fortunately, my truck can get under that, not any trouble. There we go. There's all the damage from that tree that hit the house. Did some damage to the house too. Not much, but a little. We got, I think this front tree right here is going to have to come down. Look at all that. Let's come off. Look at all that up there. You can see it. All those upper branches are all sheared off. We got them trimmed up to there. That's as high as we can get. I guess we'll probably take that whole tree out. This guy's hanging on the TV cable. So I got no cable and no TV and no internet. That's a big log. That made one hell of a racket when it came down. And it took out my security camera for the driveway. What a mess. There we go. That's not for anybody else.